Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Opendoor stock, which today is up by a further 6.9%. We're going to be speaking about it over the course of the video. I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions too, so if you do enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But as always, do remember this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Now all in all, what we're seeing here with the stock both yesterday and into today is actually quite impressive. Now today, in my opinion, does confirm a few things. Obviously we are seeing the stock break above levels of resistance at 745, numbers such as 770 as well. You're now seeing a push also above numbers at 790 and potential support actually beginning to form at the $8 range. Now this is very early on. To call this a strong support would be just not necessarily the case. However, historically between this, we'll say 785 range at the low end, all the way up to that $8 range, all the way up to maybe that 830 range, we have got a channel of strength here that we've seen before, coming from Thursday the 23rd all the way into Thursday the 30th. So for about a week we were consolidating in this channel. This could be a good sign if we are to see the stock drop, and again so far it does appear to be holding this. If we're to move down, guys, that's my first level. I'm looking at, of course, $8 first, then I'm looking at the 785 range. In terms of potential push from here, there are a few numbers that spark my interest. The first one is going to be up, as you might imagine, at 850. If you can break above that, it's 860. And if you can break above numbers like that, I think you're on to 875, and also numbers such as 880 and levels above from there. Now, at the same time, zoom out here on the past 5 days, zoom out here on the past month, and you are seeing an RSI score which is increasingly high. We are just scraping along the overbought range now. We're just touching that very upper level. So again, you may need to see some consolidation or even a small dip to see this one cool off on this chart, in which case a retracement to these levels, again $8, $7.85, would not necessarily be the worst thing in the world. Again, we're all hoping for this one to move to the upside, but I do want to see stability. I want to see some supports begin to form, so that is what I'm looking for into the next couple of days.